Hi dear students and welcome to my tutorial. In our today's tutorial we'll be learning about the Nios English secondary code number 202 for chapter number 9, 9 gold medals. So here's a poem. The athletes had come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games. The spectators gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. The blocks were all lined up for those who would use them. The 100-yard dash and the race to be run. These were 9 resolved athletes in back of the starting line, posed for the second sound of the gun. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered, and fell to the assault instead. He gave out a cry in frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. But as sure as I'm standing here telling this story, the same goes for what next occurred. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels. The one who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet. Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued. The 100-yard dash now reduced to a walk, and a banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been more on the mark. That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals. They came to the finish line holding hands still, and standing ovation and 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will. David Rock. So it was a story, it's a nice poem about how one person suddenly stumbled down while running, and the others 8 who were running forward, who had been making themselves so much strong enough for this competition to compete from each other, instead of running and going ahead and thinking about that, oh, someone has fallen down, it's better they fall and we can just go, not being greedy. They turned all back, held the hand, and together they won this race. So this is a short poem. Each one of the paragraphs have been explained here, and you can obviously do the in-text questions accordingly. 9.1, similarly 9.2, and then 9.3. Besides that, there is nothing more special important here. Go to the terminal questions and be able to learn about this poem and know about it. So if you want, you can explain that also in the examination during the literature if it comes as a question. That's it for now. Hope you have any other questions. You will do contact me through Instagram, Facebook, and through YouTube. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next lesson.